In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this OPPO smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose password and security. Now click on lock screen password. Wait 5 seconds and choose continue in this pop-up. Over here, select one of those password type, numeric, pattern or alphanumeric by tapping on the chosen one. In my case, pattern. If you want to, you can always change your mind by tapping on use a different password type and selecting one of those options. I will stick with pattern though. Then create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing Add and following all of the instructions presented on your screen. You can also choose Cancel and do it some other time. Now when I click on Home button, switch off my screen and then turn it back on. Icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!